Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. Managing multiple Google responsive search ads, RSAs, can be time-consuming, but PPC Ad Editor makes it easier with its paste data into a table feature. This tool lets you quickly upload paste ad data, map fields automatically, and generate previews effortlessly. Here's how you can do it step by step. Choose Google Ads as your platform. Select responsive search ad from the list of available ad formats. Click on the Paste Data into a Table tab. Hit Continue to proceed. Copy your ad data from Excel or Google Sheets. Click the Paste from Clipboard button right above the table. The system will automatically map your data to the correct fields. Double-check and adjust the mapping if needed to ensure accuracy. Click Update to process your data. Wait a moment while the system refreshes. Click the Preview button in the Background Process section to view the most recent update. PPC Ad Editor streamlines your ad content from an Excel sheet into a refined format within seconds. Click on pencil icon to enter edit mode. You can modify the ad based on your preferences. Once in edit mode, you can modify the campaign name, ad group name, ad labels, headlines, and descriptions to align with your advertising objectives. Using the paste data into a table feature in PPC Ad Editor streamlines ad creation, helping you save time while ensuring accuracy.